Okay, so the first grammar on Unit 14 are the modals and adverbs. In this case, we are going to be working with these modals and adverbs in here. Let me share you the board. Okay, so basically we have these modals. In this case, we have might and we have may. So when we are talking and we use the modals might or may, we are expressing a possibility, something that has a chance of happening, but it doesn't, like you are not 100% sure that it's going to happen. Same thing with could. So for example, if we have this sentence, if I say I might or I may buy a car, that means that there is a possibility that I buy a car. Like I am not 100% sure that I'm going to buy it, but there is this chance or possibility that I might or may be getting a car. Then we have this other sentence with could, which is the other model that we have in here. So if I say I could help you organize, again, I am just saying or indicating that there is a possibility that I help you organize. Like it's not that I am 100% sure of this. Then we have the modal must. So when we use must, we are no longer expressing a possibility. You are expressing something that you are sure about. So if I say that must mean no, it's because that is 100% sure. I am 100% sure that that expression means no. Then we have the adverbs. In this case, we are using perhaps, maybe, and probably. So if I say perhaps I am going to buy a car, or maybe I am going to buy a car, again, I am just indicating that there is a possibility that I buy a car, just like when we use I might or may, and when we use could. Again, we are expressing a possibility. So if I say I am probably going to the party, I am expressing another possibility that I am not 100% sure. I am just saying that there is a chance that I go to the party, but it's not something that I know for sure. It's just a probability or a possibility. And then the last adverb that we have is definitely. So if I say I am definitely going to the party, I am saying that I am 100% going to the party. Like the chances are 100%. Again, the same that happens with the modal must. So we have these models in here in the book. This is what we have. We have the modals might, may, could, must, and the adverbs maybe, perhaps, probably, and definitely. So we have this sentence, it may mean she wants to accept it. Again, this is a possibility. If it says it could mean she doesn't want anything, this is possibility as well. But if I say that must mean no, that is something that I am sure about. Same happens with the adverbs. If I say maybe or perhaps, it means she wants to accept it. It's because there is a possibility, maybe. There is a chance, that's the meaning. If I say it probably means she doesn't want anything, probably, again, that's a possibility. But then if I say that definitely means no, it's because that 100% means no. Like I am not talking about possibility anymore. I am saying something that I am super sure about. So knowing that, I am going to send you an exercise, which is of course the Grammar Plus for the Unit 14. So this is a very short exercise. It's just to practice. And what you're going to do is that you're going to rewrite these sentences using the words that we have in parentheses. So you're gonna be given a sentence and using the words, which are going to be modals and adverbs, on the parentheses, you are going to complete it. So let me go ahead and send you that on Telegram so you can complete it, and once you finish, you let me know on the chat. Do you guys have any questions before we complete the exercise? No questions, okay. Okay, Felsi, that's okay. Okay guys, so let me just send you this. Let's correct the exercise. Let's start with Jose Angel. Jose Angel, please do 1B. So the first sentence says, perhaps it means she doesn't agree with you. And then we have maybe it means she doesn't agree with you. So then Jose Angel, please do 1B.
Okay. It might mean she doesn't agree with you.
Exactly. It might mean she doesn't agree with you. Then we have Liliana. Can you please do 1C?
Yes. It may mean he doesn't agree with you.
Exactly. It may mean she doesn't agree with you. Then we have 2A. Karina, please. Karina, are you there?
That gesture probably means come here.
Okay, that gesture probably means come here.
Teacher, I put a different answer.
What do you have?
Probably that gesture told me come here.
Well, in this case, you cannot use could because you needed to replace could with probably. So that's why we say that gesture probably means come here because we are substituting.
Okay.
Then we have Vanessa. Can you please do 3A?
Yes. That almost must mean he doesn't understand you.
He doesn't understand you. So let me see. Abad, do you have that same answer?
Yeah.
Okay, so in this case, does anybody have a different answer?
Yes, teacher.
What do you have, Kelsey?
That must mean he doesn't understand you.
Exactly. In this case, we say that must mean he doesn't understand you. Because when we say almost definitely, that's like indicating also probability, but they are together. Almost definitely come like together. It's just that, for example, when we say that definitely means he doesn't understand you, definitely is like when we are 100% sure. But if we say almost definitely, that may be 95% sure. So if we say that must mean, again, that's 100% sure of what you are doing. So I am going to send you the answers on Telegram later, but before, let's look at the answers in here. So again, we have maybe it means she doesn't agree with you. It might mean she doesn't agree with you. And then it may mean she doesn't agree with you. Then we have 2A, that gesture probably means come here. And then we have 3A, that must mean he doesn't understand you. So that's basically all we have for the first grammar of Unit 14, which is again the modals and adverbs indicating